Today we need to replace the shell of an iPhone XS Max with an iPhone 15 Pro Max shell, but it looks like the Pacific Blue iPhone 12 Pro Max from the appearance. We open the phone settings to check, it is indeed an iPhone XS Max. It means that the customer has previously replaced the phone case with an iPhone 12 Pro Max. Unscrew the screws at the bottom of the iPhone, we open the screen. Continue to unscrew the screws, we remove the iPhone screen. Use alcohol to remove the glue, remove the iPhone battery. Remove the iPhone front camera module. The rear camera module is stuck together with paper. Probably the frame was lost when changing the case before. We will reconfigure the frame for the camera today. Remove the iPhone SIM card holder and motherboard. Continue to unscrew the screws, metal plates and antennas on the iPhone middle frame. Remove the buttons, metal frame pieces, wireless charging module and antennas. Remove the iPhone speaker module and vibration motor module. Remove the tail plug-in cable module. Remove the metal plates and plastic pieces on the iPhone frame. So far all disassembly work is complete. Install the iPhone frame buttons. Install frame buttons, wireless charging module, antenna module. Install iPhone tail filter and plastic keys. Install iPhone antennas and tail plug modules. Install speaker module, vibration module, fix metal plates. Install iPhone XS Max motherboard and SIM card holder. Clean the rear camera glass, install rear camera module with reconfigured frame. Install iPhone front camera, replace with new iPhone battery. Remove the speaker and sensor modules from the old screen and install them on the new screen. Install iPhone 15 Pro Max size waterproof rubber seal. Install iPhone 15 Pro Max screen. Confirm again, this is an iPhone XS Max. Install the last two ribbon metal plates inside the iPhone. Fully close the phone screen and install the last two screws at the bottom. So far, the work of replacing the iPhone 15 Pro Max case is complete. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.